Okay, so you should be able to grab a download of this actual info product ebook here that I put together within the course. Depending on where you're watching it, you'll either find it under the projects in Skillshare, or on Udemy, you will find it in the lecture before this. So just wanted to quickly walk through what I put in my book, and you don't have to actually copy me. A lot of people do different things when they create these info ebooks, but I thought I'd just show you what I did with mine. So here I have a very, very basic cover. I just put something together to make it look at least half decent. Didn't spend a lot of time on it, no graphics. Then of course I have a built-in table of contents. I don't even believe these are clickable, so it's nothing really crazy. I just show people what pages things are on, and then how I kind of built everything together here. I threw in a little copyright, mentioned what I used to create this, and really just did a little introduction so people can email me. Oops. And here I am clicking on my own email to email myself. Introduction, just kind of talked about who I am. I even threw in some links where people can watch like an introduction video, and then this is just an image I put into the book. So it's very, very simple. I talk about what's the method all about, goes through, and I talk about how I discovered the gig that I did on Fiverr, why I really like the gig. I talk about setting up a blog that you can use to interview other people. Showed you a couple different methods, like you could use a free Blogger version. Talked about using WordPress. And then really, I'm just guiding people through, like here's a video walkthrough of me actually creating the gig. It's about 12 minutes long, so I really get very niched in, and then I show people more examples of other people on Fiverr doing the same thing, where they're doing interviews in different industries like music and fashion, things like that. Then I explain how to go out there on Fiverr, how to actually build out the gig. I give some interview examples through video. I talk about adding a video to your gig itself, how to get traffic to the gig, and then that's the conclusion. So this is a really, really simple ebook. It took me a little bit of time to obviously put it together. It looks really professional, though. I would find that if you go on a place like the Warrior Forum, you're going to find that most info products that you do pick up, they're just very, very basic. They don't really look all that great. Nothing really too fancy about them. And, I thought I put this together using the Papyrus editor. It just looks a little more professional. There's really, the fact that I also added in some videos and stuff, you don't really see that too often in info products. So these particular links, I believe, as long as they still work, yep. So if you look down here in the bottom left, this is actually a private unlisted video. So only people with the link can see it. And you can see here that 226 people viewed it. So people that read my PDF most likely would be the ones that came and found this. So just wanted to show you guys this and give you an idea of what to find in my ebook and how I put things together. And you can kind of use this as a base to create your own.